Boosting affiliate revenue through Pinterest is a multifaceted strategy encompassing everything from selecting a niche and endorsing the appropriate products to crafting pins and incorporating affiliate links. And if you pause to consider, Pinterest isn't just for female audience. I'm here to dismantle any gender stereotypes. A lot of men are of the mindset that Pinterest is gender specific. If there's an opportunity to generate traffic and income, I'm on it, determined to navigate it successfully, no matter the effort required, and execute it with finesse and bring my findings to you. Before we dive into today's adventure, I want to share something personal with you. Recently, one of our videos reached over 600 viewers, an incredible milestone for us. Yet, as I looked closer, I realized something surprising. Despite all those views, we're still on our journey to growing our subscriber base, currently standing at 48 wonderful supporters. This got me thinking about the incredible community we have here and the potential to create something even more special together. If you find any value, joy, or insights in our videos, I kindly ask you to consider hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing not only supports the channel, but ensures we can keep bringing you content that enlightens, entertains, and adds a little more wonder to your day. It's a small gesture that means the world to us and fuels our growth, allowing us to invest more in content that you love. So, if you're ready to be a part of our journey and help this community flourish, please subscribe. Thank you for being here. And now, let's get started with today's video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how to make up to $1,000 per week with affiliate marketing using Pinterest. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to expand your affiliate marketing efforts, Pinterest offers a unique platform to drive sales and increase your earnings. So, grab a notebook and let's get started on this exciting journey to monetize your Pinterest presence. Welcome to Jum Talks. I'm your host, Jum. Understanding affiliate marketing. Before we jump into Pinterest, let's quickly define affiliate marketing. It's a strategy where you promote products or services through unique affiliate links and earn a commission for each sale made through those links. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income by recommending products you love and trust. The beauty of affiliate marketing? It benefits everyone involved. You earn a commission, the company increases sales, and your audience discovers valuable products. Imagine telling your friend about a great pair of sneakers you bought. They buy them based on your recommendation, and the store gives you a thank you commission. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You share products you're jazzed about, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you get a piece of the pie. It's like being a bridge between a product and potential buyers, and every successful crossing pays toll. Why Pinterest? Now, you might wonder, why Pinterest? Unlike other social platforms, Pinterest acts as a search engine where users actively look for inspiration, products, and ideas. This intent-driven search makes it a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Plus, with over 450 million monthly active users, your potential reach is massive. And the best part? Pins have a longer lifespan, meaning your content continues to drive traffic and generate income over time. Think of Pinterest as a bustling digital marketplace where people come to plan their dreams, from the perfect home office to the ultimate vacation. Unlike social media, where people come to be entertained, Pinterest users are on a mission. They're seeking ideas, products, and inspiration, making it the perfect spot for affiliate marketing. Your role? Guide them to find what they'll love, with the bonus that your pins stay relevant for months, continually working in your favor. Setting up your Pinterest account. First things first, let's set up your Pinterest for success. Create a business account to access analytics and ad tools. Then, optimize your profile with keywords related to your niche in the bio, ensuring it resonates with your target audience. You can get your keywords from rapidtags.io. Link is in the description. Next, create boards that reflect various interests within your niche, filling them with high-quality pins, including both your content and curated pins from others. To create your pins, click the link in the description to go to Canva, where you can create your pins. Pinterest is free and gives you tools and insights to see what's working. Make your profile inviting and related to what you're passionate about. Love baking, yoga, gardening? Reflect that in your bio. Then, create boards like chapters in a book, each dedicated to an interest within your niche. Fill these boards with pins that both inspire and include products you're endorsing. Finding affiliate programs. Now, where do you find products to promote? To start earning, you need to join affiliate programs. Look for companies within your niche offering affiliate opportunities. You can find these through affiliate networks like ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, Impact.com, or directly on company websites. Choose products that align with your audience's interests and values, ensuring authenticity in your promotions. It's like matchmaking services for companies and promoters like you. Choose products that fit your niche and you genuinely believe in, because authenticity is key to connecting with your audience. Creating affiliate pins. With your affiliate programs in hand, it's time to create pins. Use high-quality images and design compelling pins that encourage clicks. Creating pins is where the magic happens. You want your pins to be eye candy, vibrant and inviting, so they stand out in a sea of images. Tools like Canva, with the link in the description, make this easy, offering customizable templates for Pinterest. Each pin should link directly to your affiliate product, or even better, to a blog post on your website reviewing the product. Remember, value-driven content that solves your audience's problems will perform best. Pin strategies for maximum engagement. Pinning willy-nilly won't cut it. You need a game plan. Pin regularly, not just your own products, but other inspiring content to keep your boards lively and engaging. Keywords are your best friend here. Just like Google, Pinterest is a search engine, so use words your audience is searching for in your pin titles and descriptions. To maximize your Pinterest affiliate marketing success, you need a solid pinning strategy. Consistently pin daily, mixing your affiliate pins with other valuable content to avoid coming off as salesy. Use keywords in your pin titles and descriptions to improve visibility. And don't forget to engage with your community by repining, commenting, and interacting with other users' content. Driving traffic to your pins. Driving traffic to your pins is crucial for affiliate success. Leverage SEO by researching keywords related to your niche and incorporating them into your pin descriptions and board titles. Consider investing in Pinterest ads for a boost, targeting specific keywords and audiences to increase your pin's visibility. Just a quick one before we conclude. I've got a small favor to ask. If you found value in what we've shared today, could I ask for a bit of support? Just 20 subscribers from those watching right now could make a huge difference for our channel. It's a small action from you, but it means the world to us. It helps our channel grow and allows us to keep creating content you enjoy. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our community. Alright, let's jump back into the video. Staying compliant. It's essential to stay compliant with both Pinterest's guidelines and legal requirements. Always disclose your affiliate relationship transparently in your pins and on your website. This honesty not only builds trust with your audience, but also ensures you adhere to FTC guidelines on affiliate disclosure. Earning and learning. How do you turn pins into profit? By being patient and persistent. Making up to $1,000 a week won't happen without consistency, patience, and hard work. With data showing 90% of users say that Pinterest helps them decide what to buy, 78% say it's helpful to see content from brands they see on Pinterest, 66% buy something after seeing it on Pinterest. Pinterest brings in 33% more traffic to shopping sites than Facebook does. It's more than possible to make $1,000 and more when Pinterest is utilized. The more quality eye-catching pins you put out, the more money you're likely to make. Keep an eye on what's working, which pins are getting love and leading to clicks and sales. Pinterest's own analytics will be invaluable here. And always be clear that you're an affiliate. Transparency builds trust. Tracking your success. Finally, track your success to understand what works and what doesn't. Use Pinterest analytics and your affiliate program's tracking tools to monitor which pins and products are performing best. This data allows you to refine your strategy over time, focusing on what delivers the best results. And that's a wrap on making money with affiliate marketing using Pinterest. Remember, success requires consistency, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Start small, stay focused, and gradually expand your strategies as you gain more insights and confidence. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Here's to your success on Pinterest and beyond.